All right, so as far as grinding it goes, we're going to grind this side first and then this side second. This angle right here is already set at the 105-degree angle. That's what that other angle on that gauge was for. So as I'm grinding this, it will grind in the relief, all right? This belt actually is not as coarse as it should be, but I'm gonna try to pick the roughest side. It feels like this side here is the roughest, and therefore it will grind the fastest. I usually hold the tool on there for about maybe 5 seconds, and then I dip it in a cup of water, all right? And what it does is it'll cool the tool off, all right? And the more sparks you see, the more metal it's grinding, okay? And the color, by the way, if you're not sure what kind of metal you're grinding, the color of the sparks tells you what type of metal it is. These are steel, so the sparks are going to be an orange color. If I grind something like aluminum, you're not going to see any sparks, okay? Let me show you the difference real quick. Okay, so you can see the orange sparks down at the bottom. Now let me show you aluminum. Okay, there's no sparks because aluminum doesn't have any iron in it, all right? So you're gonna grind to the line that you drew and dip it in the water occasionally. Okay, and it looks like it didn't heat up, but quite often as you get it hotter, you'll see some steam rising there. We redrew the lines on here. That's why there's 2 set of lines. All right, but you'll just hold it on there. When you hold it on there, you got to be careful not to move. You don't want to be moving the tool around as you're doing it. I prefer to just go straight in, hold it there, and then pull it away, dip it in the water, cool it off. Do be advised that this tool will get hot. You don't want to be feeling it, grinding it, feeling how sharp or smooth it is. You'll end up burning your finger, all right? It becomes like a hot iron, okay? Okay, and if you see your tool starting to, you can see a little bit of steam coming off there. If you see the tool starting to get a dark color, that probably means that you're holding it on there too long. It's getting a little too hot. You need to just try to keep it a little bit cooler. All right. That'll just kind of be a gauge as to whether or not you're grinding too fast, pushing too hard, or maybe your belt's just worn down too much. All right.